So what we're gonna need here is a ton of concrete. Cut them open, throw them in here, use the right proportion of water and let this thing mix. Then get it over into the forms. Yesterday was a really tough day and I calculated the amount of pounds I've moved. It was about 14,400 pounds from the pallets in the store to the cart, from the cart to my truck, from my truck to the garage, from the garage to the backyard. Whew. Let's go. Because I don't know much about this machine, I'm gonna start off with one bag, see how that works out. If it works out pretty good, I'll probably just do 2 at a time and we'll go from there. I should probably read the instructions on this, but come on. I have no idea what those things are. All right, so let's put 3 quarts of water in here, so 3.5 quarts per bag. We'll go with 2 bags.
Let's say you want to take on a project like this, I wouldn't expect you to have a mixer. However, there are some other alternatives that you could look into. You can use a wheelbarrow or a mixing tub. Going this route is a bit more labor intense, but it's still possible. The other option is you can rent one of these mixing machines or purchase one, use it for all your concrete projects, and sell it later. There are 3 tools that could have made things a bit easier for me, which I didn't have. One is a bull float, the other one is a placer, and a mag float could have been great. Nonetheless, I found a way to work around that regardless. I used the trowel to smooth the top over before moving on to the next slab. After about an hour or so, I'll come back to this and go over it one more time. The best thing about this project is I can work at my own pace. And that means if I want to do 1 slab a day, I certainly can.